Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sparsh Mehra. In this video I'm going to talk about what really is stock market. The stock market is an electronic marketplace. Buyers and sellers meet and trade their point of view. The stock market has to ensure that there are two orders, that is buying of the share and selling of the shares, that are matched and traded and gets executed. This is the primary job of the stock market, which is to create a place for the buyer and seller. The stock market is a place where market participants can assess any publicly listed company and trade from their point of view, as long as there are other participants who have an opposing point of view. Now let's understand what moves the stock. Now let's say at 9 am the price of Reliance is 1000. The management makes a statement to the press that they have managed to find a new CEO who is expected to steer the company at the greater heights. They are confident on his capabilities and they are sure that the new CEO will deliver much more than what is expected out of him. Now here arises the two questions, which are: number one, how will the stock price of Reliance react to this news? And number two, if you were to place an order on Reliance, what it would be, and would it be a buy or a sell? The answer to the first question is quite simple. The stock price will move up. Reliance had a leadership issue and the company has fixed it. When a positive announcement are made, market participants tend to buy the stock at any given price. Whatever prices the seller wants, the buyer is willing to pay for it. The buyer and the seller reaction tends to push the share price higher. Now let's understand how does the stock gets traded. You have decided to buy 100 shares of Reliance at 1000 rupees and hold on it for 1 year. How does it actually work? What is that exact process to buy it? What happens after you buy it? You need to log into your Demat account and place an order to buy Reliance. Once you place an order ticket gets generated containing the price at which you intend to buy Reliance and the number of shares you intend to buy. Once the share gets executed, the share will be credited to your Demat account. Likewise, the shares will be debited from the seller's Demat account also. If you haven't opened the Demat account, I'll be posting the link of Zerodha and 5% in the description box. Now let's understand what happens after you own a stock. After you buy the shares will now reside in your Demat account. You are now a part of the owner of the company to the extent of the shareholding. By virtue of owning the shares, you are entitled to few corporate benefits like dividends, stock split, bonus, rights issue, voting rights, etc. Now let's understand what is holding period. Holding period is defined as the period during which you intend to hold the stock. You may be surprised to know that holding periods could be as long as minutes and as long as forever. Now let's understand different types of traders in the stock market. Number one is day trader. A day trader initiates and closes the positions during the day. He does not like to carry forward his positions. He is a risk averse and does not like to take the risk overnight. The second type of trader is scalper. A type of a day trader. He usually trades very large quantities of shares and holds the stock for very less time with an intention to make a small but a quick profit. The third type of trader is a swing trader. A swing trader holds on its trades for slightly longer time duration. The duration can run into anywhere between few days to few weeks. Now let's understand different types of investors. An investor is a person who buys a stock expecting a significant appreciation in the stock. There are types of investors. Number one is growth investor. The objective here is to identify the companies which are expected to grow significantly because of the emerging industry and the macro trends. The second type of investors are values investors. The objective here is to identify the good companies irrespective of whether they are in the growth phase or mature phase, but beaten down significantly due to the short-term market sentiment, thereby to making a great value buy. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button and also please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you haven't opened the Demat account, I'll be posting the link of Zerodha and 5paisa in the description box. Thank you so much once again.